Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to make saffron turmeric milk. Turmeric is a powerful Ayurvedic Indian drink with medicinal properties. It's a great immunity booster when suffering from cold, cough, sore throat, etc. It has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-cancer properties. For this recipe, I'm using 4 cups of milk, 1/4 inch cinnamon stick. Here I'm using 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder to enhance the flavor. If you don't like the flavor, just skip it. 1 teaspoon of black pepper, crushed and added. And I'm using turmeric, fresh turmeric 1 inch. If you don't have fresh turmeric, you can use powder as well. Just use half teaspoon of turmeric powder. And I've taken 1/2 inch ginger, and you can use dry powder as well. Let it simmer for 5 minutes on medium heat. Switch off the flame. Here I'm using few strands of saffron. 2 tablespoons of honey. You can use any sweetener of your choice. Saffron has been used since ancient times. It has lot of minerals, vitamins that are essential to human health. It protects our immune system, improves blood circulation, and acts as a natural antidepressant. It's very good for our eyesight as well. Mix well. Serve it hot. Do try this recipe at home. Share with your family and friends and enjoy this drink. And be healthy. Watching, like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon as well. Here I'm adding few almond slices and saffron strands. See you in another video. Enjoy your drink. Happy cooking!